How to create a DroidVPN account. So if you want to create a DroidVPN account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for DroidVPN. And after searching, here on the first search, you will have droidvpn.com. Click on that and it will take you to the website. So you can simply go for sign up, which is here on the upper right side. And now you need to enter your username and then your password. You have to create a password. And after creating your password, here you need to enter your email address. And after entering your information, click on I'm not a robot and then click on sign up now. And now you need to check your email address. So you need to open up the email which you have just entered. In here you will have this mail. You can simply click on this URL and that's it. You have activated your account. Go to log into my account and then you can log into your account. Enter the information and then click on I'm not a robot and then click on login now and you'll be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you create your account on DroidVPN and that's how you activate it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.